Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So buying an S&P 500 investment on Interactive Brokers is one of the most efficient ways to gain exposure to hundreds of leading US companies through a single investment. Instead of purchasing individual stocks, you can buy an S&P 500 ETF and manage your investment through IBKR's powerful trading platform. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to buy S&P 500 on Interactive Brokers in 2026. Simple and effective. So first thing, open an IBKR account. Like if you don't already have an account, create an Interactive Brokers account, complete identity verification, personal information, financial information, and account setup. Once approved, you will gain access to IBKR's trading platform. So a brokerage account is required before investing. So then fund your account. So click transfer and pay, select deposit funds and choose your funding method. Wait for the funds to arrive in your account after that. So as you can see here in this or in these pictures here, you go to fund in your account, you transfer, and then you do the same steps that you have in these pictures. Okay, so after that, open the search bar. Okay, so locate the search bar at the top of the screen, enter the ticker symbol of the ETF you want to buy. Okay, so as you can see here, you go here exactly, you do the same things that you have in this or in these pictures. So popular SP 500 ETFs are VEO, IVV, SPY. Select VEO, type VEO in the search box, select the ETF from the results and open ETF details page. Click buy and press buy. The order ticket will open. Enter your investment amount, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.